Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this really easy chignon hairstyle. Start with a side parting and leave some hair out to frame the face. Divide the remaining hair in half and pop that left hand side into a low ponytail. Now just create a small hole behind that elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through that hole. Gather the hair on the right hand side, pass it to your fingers and pull it all the way through. Next we're going to wrap the hair around a couple of fingers to create a loop and then roll that hair up all the way until it meets the head, and we're just going to pin this to the right hand side just above that elastic band with a couple of bobby pins. Apply some texture spray all over the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you, and then pinch and pull at the hair all around the crown and also pull on that little loop we've just made. Now we're just going to split that ponytail in half and we're going to slide our fingers through the loop going from the right to the left hand side. Now take the hair, pass it to your fingers and pull it through the top of the loop until it comes out of the bottom. Hold this to the head and pinch and pull to match the texture, and then secure it at the top with a couple of bobby pins. And also push it towards the side of the head and secure it at the nape of the neck as well. Now with that last section we're just going to wrap it around a couple of fingers again to create a loop, and then we're going to roll it up until it meets the rest of the chignon. Secure with a couple of bobby pins. Don't forget to secure the side to the head as well, and then pinch and pull so all the texture matches across the chignon. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.